Hello everyone, welcome back to a series about algorithms. In this video I want to speak about a bubble sort algorithm. It's a straightforward and easy to understand sorting algorithm. Although the algorithm is simple, it's too slow and impractical for most problems. In most cases, more quick sorting algorithms like merge sort or quick sort are used. The bubble sort is often used for educational purposes. Understanding how the bubble sort algorithm works helps to understand the basic principles of data sorting, which can be applied in more complex algorithms. Also, the bubble sort helps beginners understand how elements are moved in an array or list. Let's start with theory. Imagine that we have an initial unsorted array. The main idea of the algorithm is that it repeatedly steps through the array or list to be sorted, compares each pair of adjacent items and swaps them if they are in the wrong order. We go through each array element in order and compare it with the neighboring element. Compare 7 and 2. 7 is more than 2. Swap the 2 and 7. Compare 7 and 1. 7 is more than 1. Swap 1 and 7. Compare 7 and 9. 7 is less than 9. Don't swap elements. Compare 9 and 5. 9 is more than 5. Swap 9 and 5. The first pass is over. We still have the unsorted array. Let's continue and start the second pass. We also go through each array element in order and compare it with the neighboring element. Compare 2 and 1. 2 is more than 1. Swap 2 and 1. Compare 2 and 7. 2 is less than 7. Don't swap elements. Compare 7 and 5. 7 is more than 5. Swap 7 and 5. Compare 7 and 9. 7 is less than 9. Don't swap elements. The second pass is over. We have the sorted array. Well done. But how to programmatically understand that we have a sorted array and stop repeatedly going through the array? Let's continue and start the third pass. We also go through each array element in order and compare it with the neighboring element. We'll count how many exchanges we do. When we start the third pass, the count of exchanges equals 0. Compare 1 and 2. 1 is less than 2. Don't swap elements. Compare 2 and 5. 2 is less than 5. Don't swap elements. Compare 5 and 7. 5 is less than 7. Don't swap elements. Compare 7 and 9. 7 is less than 9. Don't swap elements. Okay, if we have the count of exchanges equal to 0 at the end of the pass, it means that we have the sorted array. The theory is finished. Let's start to code the bubble algorithm on PHP. Create and fill with random numbers in the initial array. The array will consist of 20 elements. Then add debug output for convenience. We output the initial array and a sorted array. The sorting implementation we put into the function called BubbleSort. The function receives a parameter of array type and returns an array. Then add the variable countSortedArray. It counts elements of the array. After that, let's write a loop that will pass through the array and swap the array elements. If swapped is false, we stop pass through the array and return the sorted array. Let's run the script and see the result. Okay, well done. You can see that the array is sorted. I'll link the presentation and the GitLab with the code under this video. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the following videos.